This is Ben's Machine Shop. I'm Benny. This is part 12 of Homemade Machine Tools. Now this part is about two tools that I have made and in the making of. The first one is something that every workshop should have. Most have, but every workshop should have one. Now, I'll explain as I go along. Thank you. Now, this is it. Every workshop should have a stool. This is mine, and I'll explain how I came about having this one. I have one or two tips actually on this, but I'll go into it now on better detail. Now this is it. I used to have a small stool, a three-legged one, but we were, as I said in the tip when I was making this, we were working at the house and I had a bit of wood left over, and rather than dispose of it or throw it out, I decided to make a little stool out of it, and I wanted to make something that would be useful for my just sitting on. And this is it. Now I have two shelves which this is the first socket set that I ever had. I got this when I was starting to drive in the first car I had, a George, very nice little socket set. Also later on this one. Now these are an impact set. You can use these for impact driving, but not getting away from the stool. I wanted to make something which has proven to me to be very, very useful. Now I got these given to me. I don't know what they were for or what they're off, but apparently this is a shoe, some sort of a shoehorn. And I got these two rams given to me. And now, as I say, it has proven very useful. It's a little seat, and I put casters on it. Two movable ones and two steady ones, which come in very, very handy. Every workshop should have a stool. Anyone that has been following my tips that has come in very, very handy to me, and as anyone, as I say, following my tips, I have used this on many occasions for showing some of the things that I got, and useful, and it's a very useful little stool. It is a real little workhorse for by a seat. Now the other tool that I'm going to show, I'm still in the process of putting it together. It was something I got given to me quite a few years ago, but it lay, and I'm putting it together as a tool. I got it given to me in a scrapyard with a deal I was doing, and I hope it works out. This is it. Now, this is it. I got this given to me. It was off an old lathe that lay in the scrapyard. This was just sitting on the top of it. So I was looking at it and he told me to take it. These cups weren't on it. I put those on. I made a shaft for the wire brushes. They're a nice tight fit and turns nice and freely. With the V, I put a V pulley, and I cleaned the bearings up that was on it. They're what you call a cup bearing. I cleaned those up and replaced the bolts. I put brass ones in for maybe appearance's sake also, and grease cups. Now I have two belts or two wire brushes, and it's on a bit of a plate for to mount a motor on. I have to hook out a motor to see if I have one that will fit, and I will show it when it's rigged up. This is something you also need in a workshop. There's a set of wire brushes. Rather than take a stone off the grinder, I decided to put this to use to make a wire brush set. As you see, it's run nice and freely. I can change the wire brushes whatever is needed. Keep them greased. Now to sort out a motor, electric motor, which I have a few. So I hope to show it in another tape bit running. Like the little drill that I put together I put wing nuts on the vise, which just tightens the vise up. But this is it. Rather than scrap it, make use of it. Now that is 2 more homemade tools. I hope you like the little stool, which is very, very useful and comes in handy at times for displaying some of the stuff that I get. Now, as I say, this is Ben's Machine Shop. I'm Benny, but anyone wishing to go into it, go to Benny Marner, and please subscribe to my website and press the like button if you find of an interest. Thank you for watching. This is Ben. Bye.